Sure. What we've seen over the years is every year we see more and more firearms being introduced into our screening checkpoints, and last year was the highest ever. The year before was 6,000. Last year, calendar year 2022, 6,500. And we think the reason we're seeing it is because what we see in our checkpoints really reflects what we're seeing in society, and in society there are more people carrying firearms.
Guns don't belong on airplanes, they don't belong in the security area of an airport, and they certainly don't belong at our security checkpoints. Here in Atlanta, we've seen the most guns of any airport throughout the United States. So we've done a lot of public outreach to try to encourage passengers to thoroughly inspect their carry-on luggage to ensure that they don't have firearms. As you can see here at the checkpoint, we've got quite a bit of signage to try to remind passengers. There's 3D holograms at a majority of our checkpoints.
We will gradually increase the penalties to really reinforce to people to pay attention to the requirements, to the regulations that are out there, and make it safe and secure for everybody in the travel.